Why Tesla is an awesome company. This is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and today's topic is a little bit more on the business side and why Tesla is such an awesome company. And I'm going to go through the main 3 or 4 reasons, in my opinion. Love to hear your reasons. But before I do that, again, I want to thank all my awesome subscribers and viewers, supporters of this channel, Patreons, and those who purchase my swag on the Electric Israeli channel. I'm wearing one of them. We can see it. There you go. Anyway, so why is Tesla such an awesome company? First of all, Tesla is a disruptor. Just like Apple computer back in the day with Steve Jobs. It's a personal computer for each person, obviously. And everybody thought it was a nuts idea. And later on with the smartphone and on, and the world has changed. Tesla has, number one, a short, concise, to the point mission statement. Acceleration of sustainable mobility. That's it. You don't have to memorize it. It's very simple, and it's very powerful. Okay? Tesla wants to change the world by adapting sustainable mobility for people, sustainable life with solar panels, sustainable life with battery storage, and on and on. Very simple. The mission is driven by the devastating effect of global warming, and that is the mission, and that's how they're going to accomplish it. Very simple. So that's number one. Number two, mission is one thing, you have to execute it. Number two, cool, amazing, awesome products. Or as my children said, lit. Okay, all their products are lit. Okay, they are beautiful, they're innovative, they are better, much better, just like the iPhone or the smartphone replaced the rotary phone. There's no going back. So their cars are awesome. Their solar panel system, their battery panel backup system, they are all beautiful. It's not just bulky and ugly. They're beautiful. They're beautiful. The solar roofs that are coming slowly, beautiful, better. Always, if you want somebody to adapt to something, it has to be better, much better. So they have a great mission. They have great products, amazing products. As for the cars portion, the S, the X, the 3, the Y that's coming up, and the trucks and all that, and the pickup truck that's coming future, you can buy them from your home like you would buy anything. It's an online technology company. You can go, you can order, you can get it delivered to us. You don't have to go to a dealer, you don't have to argue, you don't have to haggle, you don't have to this, you don't have to that. There's a price, that's the price you pay, and that's it. And it's unbelievable, it's amazing. The idea of no traditional dealership model, which the dealerships hate, the other car companies hate, and in some states you cannot have a Tesla showroom. You cannot see it. You have to order it, get it online, or drive to the next state to get it. That's mind-boggling that there's still people who think that, but that's not the topic of this video. The idea of showrooms, the idea of ordering car online and getting it like you would anything else, is just revolutionary. And you know, it's 21st century. So you have a great mission, you have a great product, you have a great selling model, you have a fixed price that you know what it is, and you have options, you know, options of what to choose from. These are true disruptors. These are true disruptors. And interestingly enough, some of the investors that used to short Tesla, you know, betting that it will fail, that's how they'll make money, now become long investors. They understand the unbelievable concept of this idea executed by amazing products. So to me, these three pillars, the great mission, the great product, and the great selling and delivery model, is just unbelievably simple, amazing, and people who not necessarily care, aware about global warming and the effect of it, who decide to buy these cars. And I have a friend who has a Tesla Model S P100D, $150,000 car, and yet he still has this Gosling Ford truck, whatever. And of course, he drives more than Tesla now. He's not a guy who's gonna say, you know, I care about, I mean, it's nice, to me it's nice, but we know when you have something good, when you have something awesome, people will buy it. I mentioned three pillars. What do you think? What is your takeaway or perspective on why Tesla is such an awesome car company, and forget car company, company that I really admire and adore. Alright, give me your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, help me change the world, and don't forget to support this awesome channel by becoming a patron or buy some swag. All helps me out to do what I do, give you real world experiences. Thanks guys.